Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out whether or not you can create a Grok companion. In order to do so, here we are at x.com and we're in Grok. Now, we could go to grok.com. However, I asked Grok and I looked into it as well. I looked into it on the iOS, the mobile version, and there is no functionality right now to create your own companion. That hasn't been released. Right now, your options are Annie, Mika, Valentine, and Rudy and Bad Rudy. So those are the options you have. And for the time being, that is all there is. But at some point, the rumor is that they will create the option to create your own companions. But at this time, that is not a function. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Check out our Discord. If you are into AI animation, we're building a community around that on our Discord. We have some free resources there for you. We also have a paid course on WAP for $30. Will take you through our process and show you how to create your own AI music video, the fundamentals of which will help you in all sorts of AI animation type projects. And if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.